The 2025 Honda Motorhome is here, and it's redefining what it means to travel in comfort and style. Built with Honda's legendary reliability and innovation, this motorhome blends cutting-edge technology with modern design, making it the perfect choice for adventurers who want both convenience and efficiency on the road. Whether you're planning a weekend getaway or a cross-country expedition, this new model has everything you need to make the journey as enjoyable as the destination. One of the biggest highlights of the 2025 Honda Motorhome is its compact yet spacious design. Honda has carefully engineered the layout to maximize space while keeping the vehicle easy to maneuver. The sleek aerodynamic exterior not only looks great but also improves fuel efficiency, making long trips more economical. With lightweight yet durable materials, the motorhome remains sturdy without sacrificing speed or drivability. Step inside, and you'll immediately notice the attention to detail in the interior. The 2025 model features a fully equipped kitchen with modern appliances, allowing you to prepare meals just like you would at home. A smart storage system ensures that everything has its place, keeping the living area neat and organized. The seating and sleeping arrangements have been upgraded with high-quality materials, ensuring maximum comfort whether you're driving or resting. Plus, the advanced climate control system keeps the interior at the perfect temperature no matter where you go. Technology is at the heart of this new motorhome. The dashboard is equipped with Honda's latest infotainment system, featuring a large touchscreen with navigation, voice control, and smartphone integration. Safety has also been enhanced with advanced driver assistance features, including lane keeping assist, adaptive cruise control, and a 360-degree camera system for effortless parking and maneuvering. For those who love off-grid adventures, the 2025 Honda Motorhome has you covered. It comes with a high-capacity solar power system, allowing you to stay powered up even in remote locations. A state-of-the-art water filtration system ensures you have clean water wherever you are, and an upgraded battery system provides extended energy storage for all your devices and appliances. Honda has also put a strong focus on sustainability with this model. The motorhome incorporates eco-friendly materials in its construction and offers a hybrid powertrain option, reducing emissions while maintaining performance. With more travelers looking for greener alternatives, this motorhome is a step towards sustainable road trips without compromising convenience or reliability. The 2025 Honda Motorhome is the perfect blend of functionality, comfort, and innovation. Whether you're a solo traveler, a couple, or a family looking for adventure, this motorhome delivers everything you need for a hassle-free and memorable journey. With Honda's trusted engineering and smart features, you can hit the road with confidence and enjoy the freedom of exploration like never before. That wraps up our look at the 2025 Honda Motorhome. If you enjoyed this video and want to stay updated on the latest in the camper world, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Thanks for watching our Scap Camper Life, and we'll see you on the next adventure.